might shock you to know there are a lot of most seemingly innocent habits that could lead to an early grave. So, what are these everyday habits that could kill you? Do you want to know about the weird things you do wrong? Sit back, we've got that covered in this video. There are a lot of unhealthy habits that put you at risk of developing heart diseases and cancer. There are a host of damaging habits that are slowly killing you, and because they're seemingly innocent, you might not know about them until it's too late. In this video, Silva Guide will be saving your day with these 5 everyday habits that could kill you. Do you know that the innocent habit of ear cleaning poses a threat to your health? Before we start the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our new videos. Number 1. Frequent cleaning of the ears. Did you know that excessive cleaning of ears could lead to death? Oh yeah, surprised? Don't be. Whenever you clean your ears with cotton swabs, the earwax is moved down to the ear canal, and that can lead to infection and tearing of the delicate eardrum. That's why health experts recommend that you leave the earwax and let it fall out naturally. Number 2. Plucking your nose hair. This is among the everyday things that could kill you. Plucking your nose hair is not only a painful, weird act, it could tear the skin of your nose, and that can be very harmful. This tear becomes a free route for bacteria to enter into your body. This could further expose you to a host of other health issues. Number 3. Texting while you walk or drive. This is a death trap. In fact, it's among the top on the list of things you do wrong that could kill you. Although driving or texting might not affect your health in any way, this habit can become deadly if you're not paying attention to your environment. For example, a driver texting while driving might run over a pedestrian. The accident could be fatal if the pedestrian is as well texting with minimum concentration on the road. Number 4. Cheating on your spouse. Cheating on your spouse puts your life on the line. In fact, a lot of people have lost their lives for doing this. It always leaves you with 2 options. Either you end up with a heart attack, or, even worse, get killed by your spouse when you're caught. You probably might have read stories of people who died while having sex with their mistress. Trust me, you don't want to be one of them. Number 5. Drinking from plastic bottles. There's more you don't know about plastic bottles. Under high temperature, plastic bottles release chemicals that pose a threat to your health. For example, on a hot day, that plastic bottle in your car releases a toxic chemical known as bisphenol, which contaminates the water you drink. This chemical further affects your endocrine system and increases your risk of breast cancer and endometriosis. Was this information helpful to you? Let us know in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, why not like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one?